West Virginia is a special place with enough adventure for a lifetime, and it's full of stunning landscapes and incredible roads. Welcome to the first of several episodes from West Virginia. Join along as our journey takes us off the pavement to see some of the most breathtaking scenery this state has to offer.
This is our shortcut to the highway.
We're gonna scramble down this thing.
Seeking the unknown, to pursue the calling, to discover something within ourselves, understanding our limits, or going out to find them. That's adventure. With a grand adventure ahead of us, we set out for a 5.5-hour ride toward Thurmond, West Virginia. We would be pressed to find our way to the campsite before dark, providing there would be any room left at the site. As we near the old historic town of Thurmond, the sun is already low in the sky as we enjoy the twisty roads through the mountains. Thurmond is known largely for its economic boom from local coal mines in the 1800s. The train tracks that transported the coal run right through the middle of the town, and it still has a passenger train running through today. As trains began to run on diesel and less coal was transported in, the town began to dry up fast. Much of what's left provides a snapshot of American history, as the town has been left mostly unchanged for all this time. As we would learn later from some locals, the popular West Virginia snack pepperoni rolls has its origins in the coal mines. The wives of the miners would prepare them for their husbands as a food that would preserve long enough for them to eat while they were working in the mines. As the sun begins to set and we continue to take a look around the town, we keep in mind that we still have a long track of unpaved road to get us to our campsite. Heading back across the bridge, we will go looking for our next GPS track, pointing us in the direction of a place to pitch our tents. So this should stay paved for a second and then it'll turn to gravel. I think we have to cross the river before it will turn to gravel.
Okay. here's the bridge. And then the stone cliff is straight ahead, it looks like.
Gotcha. Continuing straight would give us a nearby option for camping, but it would put us behind schedule for the next day. We push on to make it to the planned campground before dark. There we go. Looks like we're unpaved from here on out.
Oh boy.
It could be a little bit of a haul to get there too. Like I said, it could be well over 30 minutes on this.
Yeah.
Just pulled off for a quick little stop here to check out this incredible view with the river. It's just amazing, but there is a sheer drop off here. Like, I mean, it goes straight down. So, being a little cautious.
Why there's gravel even up here?
Well, this is a little more adventurous than just a smooth gravel road.
Oh yeah. It's actually a little easier to
Yeah,
rip on because it's not
And
as
there's-
loose.
no gravel.
My stuff's still staying on.
Yeah, mostly.
I haven't lost anything yet.
Not yet.
Looks like we may have a nice view where this camp spot is.
I think we will, yeah. We set up camp quickly, sharing a site with 2 other campers, since all sites were occupied. The next morning, I stopped to appreciate the view from camp as the fog cleared over the river. We had a long day ahead of us, as we would continue exploring New River Gorge, followed by a long route over Spruce Knob and down to Seneca Rocks. Come back to watch part 2 as we ride 10 hours to reach our next campsite.